Hi there, I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners. This is the first in a series of Do I Need a Lawyer videos. Many times the calls I get from people are really the question, they're really wanting to ask the question, do I really need to hire you? And frankly, many times I tell them no. I'm going to tell you in this video, explain to you when you may or may not need a lawyer if you're forming an LLC. So generally, almost every state has its own website where a person can create an account or go online and actually fill out whatever forms are provided by the state and form their own LLC. There's usually a certain amount of information that's required. Some states require more information than others, but at the very minimum, you're going to need to know who the organizer of the LLC is. You're going to need a resident agent in the state and the address of a resident agent in the state. And from there, it really varies by state as to what information you're going to need to actually form the LLC. So, and then you can also go onto third-party websites. There are tons of websites out there that will basically charge a little bit of an upcharge over the state filing fees, but kind of do the work for you. So when do you need a lawyer to form an LLC? When you should really look for a lawyer is when you get into a situation where you've got more than one owner. Because at that point, you need to work out at the beginning and document at the beginning what the rights and obligations are among the members of the LLC. Now, that's not going to necessarily be in the actual articles of incorporation that are filed with the state, but number one, you're going to need to know what those rights and obligations are from the beginning, and most importantly, you're going to want to document those rights and obligations in a document that is called an operating agreement. If you have more than one member of an LLC, I strongly encourage anybody to not draft an operating agreement that they find online or an operating agreement that they got from a friend in another state, because you're really dealing with your business and your potential livelihood, and you want to do it right the first time. I'm Katherine Taylor, the lawyer for business owners, www.taylorlegal.com. Thank you.